This short video is to show you how easy the pivoting, moving shutter jig works. This is real-time video on doing the holes and some explanation right here on how to set the stop on a router. Can't assume everybody knows everything. You set the router on the template. You push it down to the wood, lock the router in a down position, and then adjust the stop so you have 3/8 of an inch plus just a little bit, and that way it will drill the pivot pin hole in the router to the right depth. The pins are 3/4 of an inch long, so you go 3/4 here and 3/8 here and 3/8 in the blade itself. And I give it just a little bit extra to make sure there's no binding in there or trying to hold things too far apart. The easy part about this is, and what makes it nicer, you don't have to have drill bushings, you don't use those little spring sticks with a drill in it that's not quite in the middle. And everything is perpendicular or plumb width. Everything's lined up in the middle, and you're using the tools you got. And I just supply one extra little doodad. It's the centering spindle that you put in your collet on your router, and you push it down and center the guide bushing. That way, that's in the middle. So you eliminate all of these little problems in the beginning and put it together, you're good to go. Once you get your guide bushing set down and tightened up, you don't have to do it again every time you change drills or cutters. You're good to go. The end of this has to do with the synchronizer arm that's coming up. It has to do with a little rabbet cut on one of the stiles, and it's about somewhere 100 thousandths deep, and all the way to the edge of the pivot pin holes. One piece only. That means when the blades are closed either way, up or down, closed, that brass synchronizer bar will lay flat against the pins, and everybody's happy. Here's how you contact us.